Okay, for the last few nights I've been working on the F18 here. Basically what I've got done, the Biotech 220 is installed. This is a brand new one, and I noticed that the case is a little bit different color. But anyways, it's installed. ECU's up here. It's wired. I've got my servos in. I've got my bifurcated pipe. Back here I've got my nozzles are all done. So basically it's all this is complete. I've got my UP3 valve, which is gear and door sequencing in one, so I've got that done. This is my UP6 brake valve, and this is my Jetronics valve for the air brake. Tanks are in, and I put in the big fittings from I forget where they're from, but anyways, I put in the big fittings with the big lines. I've got my landing gear, my nose gear installed, and basically all the wires, which you can see are here, they're basically to this stage. So I'm basically up to here now. Now what I'll do is put the rest of the wires in here and start working on the electronics and the batteries. I got to do a CG check and figure out where my Indarco UAT is going to go. Hopefully it goes somewhere right up in here. I have space to put it in here as well. So anyways, that'll be my CG point. And I've got my lights working. Got the red over here, green over here. These guys are flashing. Same with that one up here. And then on my landing gear, there's the spotlight now and the nose gear as well. Just pump this up a little bit. My tanks, I've got 2 down the bottom and 1 on top for my air, and still quite a bit of room to put batteries here. I can put my Jetty CB200 in the telemetry module, so lots of space. Got one door right up here that's a little tiny bit sticky. That one there. Anyways, basically they're all in. So that's with about 65 psi of air. Works really good with 100 psi, but I'm really impressed how this gear works and how little air pressure it takes. And then I've got my air brake as well at the back. So I'm going to put this aside for a couple days. I want to get at Sandro's F16 now, but I've got about probably a week's worth of work here now to finish up. Also have to do the cockpit and pilot. So about a week or so, and it'll be ready for maiden.